This is the solenoid I was talking about. This is the main causes of error 59 and other jamming error, and this is the cable connected to it, to this guy. So what it does is that it stops and then makes the gears also stop. When it clicks, it's like a switch. It comes like that and then goes off. But I have some that I have to show you as a sample here. So here is it. If you can see it, look at it carefully. It's the same thing down there. Look at it. Bring it up. See here. It's the same thing down there. So look at it. It is set like this in here. In this particular printer, it is set like this. What it does that it click like that to release, and then to close and release. That is what this thing here is, what holds the gears like that. It's like that. In here, it holds it to stop the printing or to continue the printing. It's like a timing for it. So what makes it cause the error 59 is that sometimes when it click, it doesn't release itself and it locks. Because it's metal to metal, it makes a lot of noise. You understand? And the reason they put that sticky thing here is to reduce the noise. You understand? It's to reduce the noise. It's not for any purpose, like an absorber, and also to reduce the noise. You understand? And also to reduce the amount of heat that it's because it's made out of coils. It's a coil in there, and then maybe I'll open one of them to show you. Okay, so I have one here. You can see how this one is transparent. You can see how it is. It is coiled, and you know all these coils, they take a lot of heat. So talking of this one, this is the one in here, and you see the screw, this black screw that's here. So this is how it's set. So it has to open like that, and then close, open and close. So when the heat is too much, this thing melts, and then it holds this guy like that. It holds it like that. You see? And if you see like you think that it's normal, it's not normal, because the timing of this mechanism in here has to move in a certain speed and a certain time. So when it slows like this, yes, it's not opening, and it can cause what? A jam, or it can cause an error. And sometimes it will work because it has released itself for it to work. But as time goes on, when it hits more and it keep melting, it's stopped, and it causes error 59. This is the main problem of error 59. I'm going to show you how we do it easily, because when you want to really work on this thing, you have to take off all this mechanism here, and these are gears and they are timed. If you don't have the experience and to remove them and fix it back the way it is, you end up not making the printer work again after you work on it.